गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु को सिर पर राखिए चलिए आज्ञा माही, कहे कबीर वादास को दीन लोक डर नाही। गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े ताको लागे पाय, बलिहारी गुरु आपनी जिन गोविंद दियो दिखाय। धुन आवे जो गगन की वो मेरा गुरुदेव, धुन आवे जो गगन की वो मेरा गुरुदेव। धुन आवे जो गगन की वो जगत बता को जावे, धुन आवे जो जगत भी ओ करम की रेख मिटावे। धुन आवे जो गगन की मुझको अमृत पिलावे, धुन आवे जो गगन की वो आत्म को परम मिलावे। मैं निकुंज मेहता, founder of Mission Shining, I already delivered my two speech. One for the Guru Purnima message and the second from my Amrit Vani. And from these two speech, I have received many feedback, many telephones and many others from my friend, from my relative and from others that we also interested to listen your speech in English because we don't understand your Hindi and we don't also understand the Gujarati. So just please deliver your speech in English only if possible. So I am trying my best to share my knowledge, to share my achievement, to share my God's grace on me and share my knowledge to my all relative friends. And first of all, I namaskar to my Guru, Dada Guru. Then second, I will try to explain what is the meaning of mission, what is the meaning of shining, what is my grand spiritual experience. So my speech is bifurcated in 4 or 5 subjects. So my dear friends, my brothers and sisters, my dear friends, my relative, my client, and the person who see this video, and I salute all the sound who staying in your body. I also namaskar and pray to my Guru, my grand Guru, Sant Kabir, Sant Nanak, Wali, Olia, Pir, Paigambar, Arihant, Sant, Bhagavant, Paramatma, those all and every priest, every priest and my Gurudev, those who have helped me to my self-realization, God realization in journey of heaven and my journey of sound and how to attach my sound to superpower and merge in superpower. So I Nikun Mehta, founder of Mission Shining, first of all, actually I have to, what is the meaning of Mission Shining? So first of all, I will try to explain you shining only. Shining. What is the meaning of the shining? And that I try to explain you what is the meaning of mission. And then my spiritual experience. So first of all, my dear friends and all the person who see this video, I just try to first what is the meaning of shining. As everybody knows that our body is a temple of living God. There is a 10 doors. Either is a male or either is a female. There is a biological difference, but the 10 door is there in a human body. Out of 10 doors, the 9th door is open to how to see the world. From to eye, to ear, one mouth, to nose, and another two doors who open in the world, and from these 9 doors we always experience the world. We can see the world, we can listen the voice of the world, we can eat something from our mouth, we continuously breathing from our nose, and another two door which is open to experience the world. So there is a this our human body is temple of living God. In Hindu it says Nar Narayani Deha. In the Muslim it says Asraful Makhlukat. In Islam Christ says temple of living God. And many other religion the same thing, the same human body in various names. But the name is different, but the thing is the same is a human body. So these out of these 9 doors we experience the world. But the 10th door we just not much familiar with the 10th door. Is our third eye center. It's always open at the third eye center, and there is a start of the is the gate of the heaven actually. So what is the meaning of shining? That I want to explain you. So when I experienced my grand spiritual experience on 1st August 2011, and after my grand spiritual experience, the God, the Paramatma, my Guru, my Grand Guru, and all Wali, Oliya, Pir, Paigambar, Sant, Ari, and the Bhagwan says me that you daily journey to heaven, you experience the heaven, you meet various Sant, you meet various avatar, you meet various Pir and Paigambar, and get experience more and more, daily journey to heaven, and familiar with the heaven, familiar with the inner region, in Devi Devata, Pir Paigambar, Waliya, Paramatma, and see the capacity, see the smell, see the color, what is the power, what is the capacity, and you daily just journey to heaven. So I have to share this knowledge, the journey of heaven, my realization to my friend, relative. And what is the meaning of the shining? Particularly, what is the meaning of the shining? So my Guru, my Grand Guru has teaching me in heaven how to attach your soul with the superpower. Actually, Paramatma superpower has created this world, this universe. Everybody knows he created germs, he created the agriculture, he created the germs, he created the birds, he created the animals, he created the human being, either male or female. Even he created the Devi Devata, and all universe, all Brahmand, the Paramatma is creation of the Paramatma. So Paramatma has hold the power. He can do anything. He can work from the stone actually. So Paramatma has all the power. So at that time Paramatma has also created one system. So how attach soul in superpower? How to attach soul with the superpower? So this method, and my Guru, my Grand Guru has teach me the real and origin method, which is created by Paramatma superpower Kul Malik. So that method I want to teach you. How to attach with that superpower, and you become shining. So first of all, I have to explain you what is the meaning of the shining. Shining means our body is a 10 door, have a 10 door. Out of 10 door, 9 door is open in the world, and the 10th door is open in the third eye center. It's a gate of the heaven. When you Kabir Sahib is very good says कि आँख कान मुख बंद कराओ, अनहद झिंगा शब्द सुनाओ, दोनों तीर एक तार मिलाओ, तब देखो गुलजारा है। आँख कान मुख बंद कराओ, अनहद झिंगा शब्द सुनाओ, दोनों तीर एक तार मिलाओ, तब देखो गुलजारा है। दूसरी तरफ भी बोल सकते हैं कि तन धीर मन धीर वचन धीर, सुरत निरत थिर होय, कबीर ऐसे पल को कल्पन पावे कोई। मीन्स you just close your two eye, you just close your two ear, you just close your mouth, The breathing is continue. Breathing, there is no disturbance in the breathing. And you just concentrate your the third eye center, at the third eye center, at the third eye center. So you feel steadily and gradually, slowly and gradually, slowly and gradually, by continuous study, by continuous study, by continuous study, you just see the light at the third eye center. You just listen the voice at the third eye center. You see the just light at the third eye center, and you just voice of at the third eye center. He is called a voice of heaven. It's called a voice of heaven. The Hindu says is Hari Kirtan. The Hindu says is Akhanda Kirtan. The Akasavani. The Musliman says is Kalame Ilahi Bange Asmani. The Yishu Christ says is word, logos and voice of heaven. Even the Theosophy says the voice of heaven. So this one thing which coming from the cosmos, from universe, from superpower, continuously coming at our third eye center, continuously come at our third eye center. So different religion and different sant has given a various name. Just like we say our Papa to Papa, and we say the Papa, we say the father, we say the daddy, and there is a various only words, but the father is a father. Father is a father. There is a relation between the son and father. Is a love. Is a real love. Is a real love. So I, Nipun Mehta, try to understand you and explain to you what is the meaning of the shining. Shining means you continuously drink this amrutam, which is continuously come at your third eye center, is called shining, which is coming at your third eye center continuously. This voice of heaven, this Akashvani, this Akhanda Kirtan, this Hari Kirtan, this Bange Asmani, this Kalame Ilahi, the voice of heaven, continuously come at your third eye center and drink that amrutam, and you become more powerful, you become more powerful, you become more powerful. Is called shining, because this amrutam, this power has energy, not this electricity, but is energy, extraordinary energy he can give you. Like continuously your organ is charging, continuously your eye can charge, continuously your ear can charge, your mouth can charge, your body organ can charge, your heart can charge, your liver can charge, your kidney can charge, your skin can charge, your total body can charge, and continuously charging. So I, Nipun Mehta, once again explain you and trying to understand you what is the meaning of the shining. Shining your total identity. Shining your total identity. It will give shining to your ideas. It will give shining to your karma. It will shining your organs, your body. And when you drinking that amrutam, you can listen that amrutvani, you can listen that Hari Kirtan, you listen that Akhand Kirtan. Then you feel more and more relaxation, more and more. Why? Because it reduces your burden of karma. There is no medicine, no other system, no other method how to reduce your burden of karma. I am giving one more example. Scientific example. I am also giving you a scientific example that water is one of the elements of our body. In 5 elements, there is earth, there is a water, there is a fire, there is a air, and there is a sense. So there is a 5 elements working on the earth. The different element is working in the different in sound. So there is a 5 element is existing on this earth. So everybody knows that water is one of the element of our body. After some interval, we have to drink the water. After some interval, after 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours, we have to drink the water. After some interval, either 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, we have to take the bath. So because water is one of the element of our body, so we cannot existing more without the water. So water is one of the element of our body. If you can go seashore, then you just see that continuously wave is coming. from the sea to seashore, then we feel more and more relaxation, more and more relaxation. We bath from the sea, we bath from the river. So water is one of the element of our body. So we can touch the water, we can feel the water, we can drink the water, we can bath the water. So this is the example of the water. I am just giving one. I am trying to explain you that air is more precious than water. Air is more precious in this from this water, because everybody at present, we is continuously breathing, because we all are the ocean of the air. We all are in the ocean of the air. Without oxygen, we cannot existing in this earth without either 1 minute or 1 second. So air is more important than the water. Just like water and just like air. So these power of the Chaitanya, the power of this Amrut Vani, power of this Akhand Kirtan, power of this Hari Kirtan, power of this voice of heaven, which is continuously charging our body, continuously giving charging to our soul, continuously charging at our third eye, is more important. So this is the real method which is created by the God for the soul only. How to soul merge in superpower? I am giving one more example. If there is a one dot, if there is a dot of the water, either from river or either from any other way, he has to go to the sea and then merge with the waves of the sea, and he becomes the sea, and his power become more. He just like the sea. So just like that, our soul, when he concentrate at your third eye center, so which continuously waves from heaven is coming at your third eye center, your soul merge with that waves of heaven and become the journey of heaven. From these waves, he just travel his journey from that waves of heaven, and slowly and gradually he start journey of inner region and merge in superpower. He tastes what is the meaning of the what is the taste of the superpower. I would say one more theory. Our mind is always interested for the various tasting. Our mind is always find out the various taste, either one taste, then second taste, then third taste. So our mind is always interested about the taste and always find out the super taste. But our mind never satisfied, either from one thing to other thing, second to third thing to fourth thing. But our mind means man means mind. He is never satisfied with any other state of this world. Our mind is only satisfied with that waves of heaven. Kabir Sahib says, धुन सुन कर मन समझाई, धुन सुन कर मन समझाई. Means हमारा जो मीन्स व्हाट इज आवर माइंड only and only satisfied, only and feel peace, feel joy, feel happiness when the listen of the third eye center and the voice of the heaven at the Hari Kirtan. Our mind, when he tastes is Akashvani, this Hari Kirtan, this Akhand Kirtan, and this Bangi Asmani, this Kalame Ilahi, this voice of heaven, and he feel permanent peace, permanent joy, permanent happiness, and he drink the real Amrutam. Which Amrutam in our whole the world is never found. Is the rarest of the rare. Kabir Sahib already says, सब गट मेरा साइया सुनी से चनकोई, वा गट की बलिहारी है जागट परगट होई. सब गट मेरा साइया सुनी से जन कोई, वा गट की बलिहारी है जागट परगट होई. Means if you listen that voice, this Hari Kirtan, in your whole the life, only 1 second, I am just telling you, 1 second, you just listen this Hari Kirtan, Akhand Kirtan, Akashvani, and you feel just out of cycle of birth and death. You just out of the cycle of birth and death. So you attach with that superpower, you attach with that Paramatma, you attach with your real father, you attach with your superpower, and you also become just powerful like a superpower. Your father is always a father. There is a difference between the police and the father. There is a difference between the police and the father. Police always Police always obey the law. Police is always obey the law. But our father is father. Our father is our father. He has a he has a generosity. He has a service. He serving our Lord. He serve our Lord. He serve our Lord. So why we happy? Why we more happy? Why we more happy? When our father, being our finger is attached with our father, when we continue to listen that voice of our father, when we listen this Hari Kirtan of our father, when we listen this voice of heaven continuously, then we feel more joy, more happiness in our life. Even we can extend our life. Even we can extend our life. We can make fearless of life. We can make happy life. We can make joyful life. We can make lot. We can make a real balance. We can make a real balance. From these real balance, you consuming these real balance from these earth, you can carry this real balance with the heaven. From this balance you are able to realization. From this balance you are able to realization of the God. From this balance you are able to realization of the soul. From this balance you are creating more, and you are just become more and more powerful. You can achieve your any other dream of this world. You can pass successfully in any one exam like IAS, IPS, collector, doctor, medical, engineer, advocate. If you can achieve your any types of dream from these Hari Kirtan, Akhand Kirtan. You just believe that you just believe, and you have to contain your course at least some time from how to listen that third eye center and how to listen this Hari Kirtan at the third eye center. So this is the meaning of the signing. This is the meaning of the signing. This is the meaning of the signing. The how to listen the Hari Kirtan, the Akhand Kirtan, the Akashvani, Bhangi Asmani, and how to listen that voice of heaven at the third eye center. You just close your 9 door of your body. You just sit down. You just I say one more thing. If there is a one place, if there is a one time, if there is a one place, if there is a one time, if there is a one mantra, and if your belief system is very strong, if belief system is very strong, and you daily study, daily meditation, and then you sure success. Nobody can stop you. I am just giving the guarantee. I am just giving my own example. So you sure success. So just consume your at least 1 or 2 hour daily, at least 1 hour daily, because this is the world of the speed of the world. So everybody has a very few time how to, but if you consume at least 1 or 2 hours in this method, on this real method, the method created by the God, and listen these Akhand Kirtan, Hari Kirtan, Akashvani, Hari Ki Bani, voice of heaven, then you can success, you can make balance from this world, you can make balance from, you can carry, and you existing, you can realize the God in your existing life, in your life you are able to journey of heaven. Whenever you go, you just go to heaven. Whenever you go, you just come in the body. Whenever you go, you just go to heaven. And whenever you wish, you come to the body. It's just is a question of experience. I am not this. It will take some time. It is not as easy as we think. But if you continuous effort, then you sure success. I am giving one more example. If you very favorite for your teacher, if you are a very favorite for your teacher, but if you daily namaskar to your teacher, and daily surrounding your classroom, is not a mean of success. You have to study. So you have to do meditation, because This meditation can give you a real life. This meditation can give you extension of the life. This meditation is creating a real balance. This real balance. This meditation is giving you a lot of. Is a from this meditation, from this Hari Kirtan, you may get real peace, real joy, real happiness, real peace, real joy, real happiness. So you have to always try to listen that voice of the heaven. So this is the meaning of the shining. There is a lot of meaning of the shining. How to shining. So each second you just try to listen that voice of the heaven, and each second you charging your body, your body organ, and daily become fresh, just like a bath from the water, just like bath from the air, and even water and even the air, you feel more relaxation, because these Hari Kirtan, these Akhand Kirtan, these Hari Kirtan, these Bange Ashmani, these voice of heaven can reduce your burden of karma. He is only able to reduce your burden of karma, because when our soul is only trapped, our soul is always trapped by this karma. Just like a balloon. If there is a weight in the balloon, the balloon cannot be fly. Otherwise, there is a nature of the balloon how to fly and just go to the air. Otherwise, there is a nature of the balloon how to fly and go to the air in the sky. So, our soul is already nature to fly and just merge with the superpower. But he is trapped by the karma. If it is a good karma, if it is a bad karma, you are just obey to result of the good karma and just obey to result of the bad karma. There is no plus and minus sign in the karma. But from these Hari Kirtan, from these Akhand Vani, from this voice of heaven, you are just able to reduce your burden of karma. You are just only able to reduce your burden of karma. There is no other method on this earth is available. You just see the antique Rishi Muni, like Mahavir, Gautam Buddha, Bhagwan Shiv, Bhagwan Rama, Bhagwan Krishna, Bhagwan Mahavir, Bhagwan Buddha, Isha, Masih, Apir, Paigambar, Bali, everybody is engaged in meditation. And each and every personality of the passed away the sant, each and everybody personality the past away sant, each and everybody has found in the inner side, not from the outside. And he just out of the cycle of birth and death, and present is staying at heaven, because I already meet that all the person, and already having the messages of that son, when I was in the journey of the heaven. In my diary says, so I have these all the experience. Now I have to say what is the meaning of the mission. What is the meaning of the mission? So first I am trying to say that what is the meaning of shining. When I daily journey to heaven, so Paramatma, my Gurudev, my Dada Gurudev and other sons, Masih, Auliya, Pir, Paigambar says me, Beta, you just realization the soul of the people of the world. You just realize soul. Who interested? You just realize soul, realize God, the person who interested. Is your first object. Is your first work. Is your first object. Without any discrimination. ना तो जात पूछे नहीं कोई, हरि को भजे सो हरि का होई. And the second objective, you just create world more happy. You just make earth like heaven. So these two works I have allotted by the God, my Guru, my Grand Guru, by God. So beta, you have to do these two work. You just try to self-realization, try to God realization to people of the world. And the second, you make earth like heaven. So from these two objects, the Paramatma says, you just make one mission. On the earth. It's called a mission signing. You just make your mission, which called engage with the shining. उसका नाम रखो मिशन शाइनिंग. मिशन मीन्स इफेक्ट. देयर इज अ 5 elements of earth, like water, like fire, like air, and like a sense. There is a 5 elements of the earth. There is a greenery who having only one element. There is a germs who having a 2 element. There is a bird who having a 3 element. There is animals who having a 4 elements. And human being either a male or either a female. There is a biological difference, but everybody has a 5 elements, total elements. पृथ्वी जल अग्नि वायु और आकाश हिंदी में बोले तो there is a 5 element. Each and every element has right to grow and right to growth. Everybody is eligible to free and clean air from this cosmos, this universe. Each soul can get free water and clean water from these earth. Each soul is right to grow and eligible for the free air and free water, clean air and clean water, and very few labor. He will eligible for food. So there is a 5 elements of earth: air, water, fire, vayu, and sense. So there is a 5 elements working in only the human body. Otherwise, other body has not 5 elements. And there is another thing. There is a many types of soul in this world. Many types of soul in this world. Just like a greenery, just like a germ, just like a bird, just like animal, and just like a human being, male and female. But only human being, only male and female has right to meet the superpower and to the God. It's called is Narayani Deha. It's called the Musalman say is the Asrafil Makhlukat. The Yishu Christ is the temple of living God. So different religion and different son is called the various name. But the thing is the same. He is a human body, and only human body can eligible to the superpower. So the mission means is working for the 5 elements and working for the whole soul, but particularly man and human. So the person who interested to realization, the person who interested to the realization of the soul and realization of the God, and earth make like heaven is called mission. So this shining for working for this signing, we just create mission signing. The mission signing, the word is also already coming from the heaven. It's not my own wish. It's already coming from the heaven. So this is the meaning mission signing. Mission means it works for the 5 elements of the earth and for the whole soul. Each soul has right to life and right to develop, right to grow. Each soul has right to life, right to develop, or right to grow. Means he can grow, he can develop, and nobody can hurt to other soul. So this is also a one thing in the mission and mission signing. So how to attach with that third eye center and drink real amrutam, and the soul become more powerful. Daily charging of the organ, and daily charging his ideas, reduce of the burden of the karma. And how to reduce the burden of karma? The soul can fly in the sky. Soul can fly in and merge in the superpower. Merge with the superpower. Just like a one dot of the water can merge in the ocean. So this is the philosophy. This is the real philosophy which is created by the God. Very antique philosophy. The person who has realized from this method, he has realized no other method is working in this world, and even no other method is working in future. I am telling you, even I realize from this method. So this is called mission signing. How to shining your body, how to extend your life, how to achieve your dream, how to charging your body organs in this corona time, in this critical time, how to save life, how to fearless life, how to long life, how to existing our on these earth. Everybody bothered about the life. Everybody bothered about the disease and virus and so many other disease and so many other virus. And there is a no help. So I am telling you, if you attach with that superpower, if you adopt this method, this real method, You just live fearless life. You feel just long life. You can even extend your life. Your organ can daily charge, daily charge, daily charge. More than medicine, more than medicine. I am telling you. And this is the mission signing. Now I am just going for my grand spiritual experience. Actually, my grand spiritual experience having a 50 pages long and at least giving at least taking 1 hour. But I am trying to summarize this my grand spiritual experience. The day was the 1st August 2011. The day was 1st August 2011 when I was sit in the meditation, just like a daily meditation. So the time was early morning 4:30. I feel there is some big blast, like just like atom bomb is blast. My head is broken. In pieces. That I feel. And very another second, what I say that my astral body coming from my physical body, and I feel that I expire, I expire. But after some few seconds, 3 to 4 seconds, not more seconds, I feel that my astral body once again coming in my physical body. And what is a grand experience? I just listen, slowly ringing the bell at my third eye center. This is the voice of heaven, Hari Kirtan, Akhand Kirtan, whatever I am saying early. And the second, I see the light at my third eye center. So this was my grand spiritual experience. I am just telling more and more. And very another second, I see my guru, my priest, Maharaj Charan Singh Ji, from, I believe, and he is my guru, and I have taken Nam Dan on 8th February 1989 with my wife Geeta. We couple at a time getting the Nam Dan. It's a very big story how to get the Nam Dan. At present I don't want to go in the deep, but it's a already historical event for my life, how to get the Namdan and how to cooperate my wife to me for the Namdan and the spiritual journey. So I have getting Namdan from my Charan Singh Ji. And after some time, my Guru says me, just we start our journey of heaven. As per my commitment, just we start our journey of heaven. And they carry me to his Dada Guru, Grand Guru, Maharaj Sawan Singh Ji, because he was my Grand Guru. Because in my previous born, when I was in America, this is a very historical event. I don't want to say more detail, but when I was in America, and at that time we husband and wife getting the Nam Dan from Maharaj Sawan Singh Ji. So he hand over my astral body to Maharaj Sawan Singh Ji, and then we further start the journey. And then Pitrulok coming, then the Sahasradal coming. This is the first destination of in the spiritual journey, first destination. Then we go further. There is a bunk canal, and our two side I see, our two side. There is a lot of Devi and Devta located and situated there with, and just pray us. Jai Jai Nanda, Jai Jai Banda means you have success. You are a human being and achieve your human goal, and you success in your life. So they pray me, they pray us, they pray my Guru. Jai Jai Nanda, Jai Jai Banda, Jai Jai Nanda, Jai Jai Banda means you have successful life. You getting your goal, achieve your goal in the existing life. And so further we just go further. Then the Trikuti come. The Trikuti is the third destination in the spiritual journey. So Trikuti, there is a lot of events and lot of things. Why is called a Trikuti? Because our three body is just we fit our three body, like our physical body, astral body, and Jyotirmay body. And there is a lot of other thing why he called it Trikoti. And Trikoti is the destination where our all karma should be lost and empty. So the soul without the karma, he become the karmaless. Means he has empty soul. Means he is become like in origin soul. And but this is only possible by the Guru and Grand Guru and other Sant, Pir, Paigambar, and they help me Lord, how to destroy my all karma, and I just become karmaless, my Sanchit karma destroy, my Prarabdha karma destroy, my Kriyaman karma destroy, each karma destroy, because grace of the God, grace of my Guru, grace of my Grand Guru, grace of my Arihant Sant Bhagavan, everybody effort, and there is a lot of help. At present I am not able to explain more how to release burden of karma, but my all karma destroy, and just like Dasam Dwar is open and I go ahead, and we have to complete journey of Bhavar Gufa, then go to the Sachkhand, Premkhand. In this Sachkhand, actually in this journey and this location and this destination, this smell, the scene, the Swami, the capacity, there is a lot of thing. So in this limited time, I am not able to explain you more. There is at least require 1 or 2 hours how to explain my spiritual journey. But I am just try to in brief and try in very summarize that Prema Khand, Sachkhand, there is I realize the God, I realize the Paramatma, I meet the Sant Kabir, I meet Sant Nanak, I meet Isa Masih, I meet Pir Paigambar, I meet Isa Masih, I meet Pir Paigambar, I meet Muhammad Paigambar, I meet Sai Baba, I meet Jalaram Baba, I meet Vijay Ramchandra Sureshwar Ji Maharaj Sahab of Jain or Arihant Bhagavant, and very other so many. My Guru Swami Ji Maharaj, Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj, Savan Singh Ji Maharaj, Charan Singh Ji Maharaj, and so many Dada Bhagwan, Mirabai. How many says, how many name I can say and deliver. So these all good personality and soul I meet at the Prema Khand, Sachkhand, and what is there is I am not able and nobody can able to explain the Sachkhand and Prema Khand and Bhavar Gufa and all other lowest region of this journey of heaven. But in Paramatma I can say कोटि बाण सब साहब बोल रहे हैं कि कोटि बाण सब रूप एक ऐसा पुरुष रूप कि कोटि बाण सब रोम एक ऐसा पुरुष स्वरूप. If there is a 1000 yani crores of the Surya and crores of the Chandra, light of the crores of the Surya and crores of the Chandra, if he merged in one dot, then he cannot compare with the superpower.